Hey friends, if you wish to create a shortcut for command prompt command in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So I have a command for you. I've shared it in the description section of the video. Now in this command, copy it on any blank space and then type the command prompt command for which you wish to create the shortcut here. Let's say this is the command. Now copy it and then right click on the blank space on the desktop. Select this thing new shortcut. Paste this command here. Click on next. Now double click on this command to run it. It will open Notepad. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.